is not a WhatsApp chat. So that's why I don't want you to write abbreviated forms. Don't ever do that. You're not speaking or you're not writing to a friend. You're writing to a teacher. You're writing to a person who's going to grade your test. Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss how to improve your band score from band 5 to band 9 in writing task 1. These are some of my tips. So the first one is don't use abbreviated forms like TV, info, vacay, etc. Do not use abbreviations. Try to use full forms. For TV, write television. For info, write information. For vacay, use vacation. I've seen students using ETC. Full form is etc. I want you to write and so on if you cannot spell etc. Okay? Because if you use abbreviations, this is an informal way of writing. Try to be as formal as possible in the IELTS test. Because if you're formal, you can get good scores in your IELTS test. The second one is avoid using the chart shows. Use the chart reveals, elucidates, depicts and demonstrates. Avoid using the chart shows. Why? Because it's very simple. It's very like grade 6 kind of way to say, oh, the chart shows. This is better. The chart reveals, the chart elucidates, the chart depicts. This shows that the writer is more advanced in his writing skills. That he is not a band 5 or a band 6, he is a band 8 writer. Okay? Again, third one is try to avoid using for example. Whenever you are giving an example, whenever you are giving, expanding your opinion, try to use for instance to illustrate. Again, this showcases that a writer is not a band 6 writer, he is a band 8. His writing skills are actually a band 8. Okay? The fourth point is again avoid using if we look at the pie chart closely, if we look at the chart closely. Instead, right, if we examine the pie chart closely. This is a better format. This is a better form. Better English. Okay? So try to incorporate all these statements into your writing. The fifth and the last one is you can clearly see from the graph. Don't ever do that. Don't ever write this. You can clearly see from the graph. Right? One can clearly see from the graph, or it can be clearly seen from the graph. This is way too informal. This is way too informal. Right? Formal language, formal English. Why? Because IELTS, the exam is of your English abilities. It showcases your English skills. You're not speaking or you're not writing to a friend. You're not writing to a family member. You're writing to a teacher. You're writing to a person who's going to grade your test. So write or speak like you're speaking to a higher authority. Be respectful. Okay? This is not a WhatsApp chat. So that's why I don't want you to write abbreviated forms. I also don't want you to write informal language. If you avoid informal language and go with the formal ones, you will get good band scores. So thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button